Thank you for your interest in the Thompson Organization. Since 1969, we've made a difference by focusing on our employees and the customer experience. Listen to what our team members have to say.
Being part of the Thompson team is a privilege. The owner is there to support you and always finding ways to advance the company.
I started with Thompson Toyota 29 years ago, and believe it or not, I still like to come to work every day. And I just feel very fortunate that I made the right choice.
It's easy to see why we've grown from our humble beginnings on Main Street in Doylestown to the desirable multi-brand dealer group we are today. Our goal is to continually raise the bar by elevating the customer experience and provide a rewarding workplace for you to build a fulfilling career. Our teams have won numerous awards by simply remembering founder Jack Thompson's timeless phrase, "We're not in the car business, we're in the people business."
The Thompson difference has always been the people difference. We're in the people business. We've always been able to attract the best and the brightest in the automobile industry. Our people could work anywhere, but they choose to work here at Thompson, and that's what's made it different for us.
When it comes time for my retirement, this is the place I'm going to retire from.
The difference between Thompson and others doesn't end at our commitment to our customers. We're dedicated to making a difference in our community, and we're so grateful to have team members who help us achieve our mission by eagerly volunteering. Full-time Thompson employees also enjoy the peace of mind that comes with one of the best benefits packages in our industry. We recognize the importance of healthcare coverage and offer a traditional co-pay-driven, zero-deductible Blue Cross health plan including personal choice. Plus, Thompson pays over half of the healthcare premiums for employees enrolled in the Keystone plan. Additional benefits include a company-matched 401k program, dental with orthodontia coverage, vision plans, a complimentary life insurance benefit up to $50,000, pre-taxed flexible spending accounts for use with healthcare or dependent care, available short and long-term disability, a paid employee assistance program for you and your family members, free tickets for you and your family to join us each year for a day of food and fun at Thorny Park and Wildwater Kingdom, as well as paid vacation, sick, and personal time. Plus, unlike others, all Thompson dealerships close on major holidays to give our employees well-deserved time to spend with family.
Thompson's a great family-oriented company. We have Dorney Park Day, Bring Your Child to Work Day, the Thompson bike races. They're all great events, get you out, you meet new people, and you enjoy your family all at the same time.
Thompson is more than just a place to work. It's a place to build friendships, grow your skills, and develop a passion for the field. We are the Thompson Organization, and we invite you to come work with us.